How much you will get if you add?
91.
Sure.
Wait a second, sir.
Wait. 36, 25.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, 91. Then it is easy than counting, no? It takes a lot of time to count, yes?
Yes.
So if I'll give the square of 4 by 4, now what you will do in this shortcut trick?
4 square plus square
3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square.
Yes. 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus
plus
1 square.
1 square.
It's correct. It's correct. That's great. Now I'm going to clear it and I'm going to stop it. Okay, let's see one thing. I'm going to show you my screen now. And in my screen,
Okay, sir.
I'm going to show one video. Let's see.
Okay.
Are you getting this?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, wait. It has some problem, I hope. Okay, wait. Again, I'll show it. Okay, now this is not working now. Okay, just now let's discuss this. I'll search this video after some time. Just now, let's see again whiteboard. Yesterday we discussed about square, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the square of 10?
100.
100.
Square of 12?
144.
144. Then square of 13?
169.
169. Okay, good. Now these 100, 144 and 169 are square of this 10, 12 and 13, yes?
Yes, sir.
So we discuss about square. Now today we are going to discuss about square root. Do you know what is square root?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
स्क्वायर रुट मतलब अब स्क्वायरको रुट जस्तै 100 को कति हुन्छ
What is square root? Just now look. Square root is just opposite of square. What do we do? If we want to find the square, we will multiply by 10 into 10 will get 100, no? So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
square root means what? We'll place this one sign. This is known as square root, yes?
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
And
Yes.
we'll place inside this 100. And do you know what is the answer?
10.
10. How can you say 10?
Yes.
Can you explain me how
Because
it became 10?
Because inside of square root there will be 10 into 10. Then we have to convert into 10 square. Then square root and 10 square. Cut 10. Left is 10.
Okay, good. Just what you said, I'm going to explain it. You said 100 first. And this became 100 into 100, yes? 10 into 10.
Yes.
Now this became what? As you said, 10 square. Is that true?
Yes.
Since this is square and remove this, we'll get 10. Is this you said?
Yes.
But how can we remove this square root sign?
Because here is square.
That means this square and this will be cancelled, so 10 will be left.
Yes.
Yes.
So if there is 10 cube, then what you will do? Can we remove this square root sign?
No.
No.
No, that's good. Now look, as you said, when there is a pair, isn't that? We discussed about pair, yes? When there is a pair,
Yes.
one is a square root. So this 10 came out. But this, as you know, this you say 10 is square. Now look, this square root means what? Square word is there, yes. So when there is a square, we can
Yes.
remove this root sign. As you said that's true. And how many processes
Yes.
are there to find the square root?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Yes.
How many you know? How many processes do you know? Any idea?
No.
There are 3 processes. What may be? What may be the 3 processes? Okay, in one.
Prime factorization.
Yes, prime factorization. Do you know this process?
Yes.
Everybody you know? Okay, now by using this. Okay, others are not giving. All other they are muting mic, I hope. So now by using this prime factor, how can we find the square root of 144?
By dividing it by 2.
Prime factors. So dividing by 2.
2, 7, 4,
How much we
7,
get? 2 7
72.
times 14 and 2 times 4. So 72. Again by 2. How much we'll get?
2, 3, 6.
2 3 6. And
2,
1 left.
6,
So 1 became 12
12.
and 12 means 6. Again
2, 6, 12.
2 6. Now 2, how many times
2,
36?
18.
18, correct. Now 2 times
9.
9. And 3
9.
Then
times
3,
3. So now all completed, yes?
9.
So now what you will do here?
Yes.
Root 144. So now root 144 means what you got? Count this. One pair of 2.
2 pair of 2.
1, 2.
So another pair of 2. And last, what is the pair now? 3.
3.
So now from
3.
pair, take 1 1 out. From this pair, 1 2 became out. From this pair, 1 became out. And from this pair,
1 became out.
Now multiply, how much you will get?
12.
12.
12. Okay. Okay, good. Now, what is the next process you know? This is the prime factorization process. It's correct.
Yes.
Now, do you know the second process?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No.
Sure. Okay, let's discuss the new one. This already you know, yes? Now you know,
Yes.
I'm going to type it now. Do you know this process that I'm going to type?
Okay.
Subtract.
Subtraction.
Okay, subtraction process of getting square root. Do you know this?
No.
Okay, now let's discuss about this one. First of all, tell me what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers?
Even numbers are those numbers which are multiply by 2 and 4.
Okay, even. Even means, for example,
2, 4,
2,
4, 6,
4,
8, 10, 12,
6,
16,
8, 10. Okay, that
10.
means all those numbers which we can divide by
2.
2. Yes, correct. Now all the numbers divisible by 2 are known as odd. Sorry, even. Then what is odd then?
Or 1, 3.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9,
5,
and
7,
so on.
9,
Yes.
11,
So
Yes.
now numbers
15,
which are
18.
not divisible by 2 are
1, 3, 5, 6.
odd
Odd
numbers.
number.
Yes. Divisible by
Yes.
2, even number. Divisible
Yes.
by, not divisible by 2 is odd number.
Odd.
So this subtraction
Odd
process
number.
says, yes, remember, okay. Subtraction process says we need to continuously subtract the odd number. I'm going to show one demo for you. Now,
Okay.
how to find the square root of 25 by using this process, okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, how to find the square root of 25? By this process, okay? Now, first of all,
Okay.
you need to write odd numbers inside. What are the odd numbers?
1, 3, 5,
Okay,
7,
write regularly, okay?
9. Okay.
Okay, this is
9,
9.
11,
This is 9, sorry. And this is 11.
11,
This is 13. Okay, we'll write this much now.
13.
Now, what you will do, if you need to find the square root of 25, first subtract this first odd number. How much is left now?
24.
24, correct. Now, what is remaining? Write this again, this 24, and subtract the second odd number. What is that?
3.
3. And how much you will get? Subtract it.
21.
21, correct. So again bring this 21 front side and subtract the third odd number. What is that?
5.
5.
5.
So how much you will get by subtracting this?
26.
Sorry?
Yes. 16. 16.
Okay, okay, that's great. Now again 16. Subtract the next odd number. What is the
7.
next?
7.
So now what you will get?
9.
Good. Now again subtract this 9 from the next one. What is next one?
9.
9.
9.
So how much you will get now?
0.
Good. Now by using subtraction process, we need to continuously subtract the odd numbers until we'll get the 0. Now when we get the 0, now our work is completed. Now how many odd numbers we have subtracted? Count once. 1,
5.
2, 3, 4,
4,
5. So
5,
we have subtracted
10.
5 odd numbers, yes?
5.
So now, since we have subtracted
Yes, sir.
5 odd numbers,
Yes.
so square root of 25 is 5.
5.
You got what I said?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now by using
Yes.
this process, can you find the square root of 64? Try it.
Yes, sir.
Swechha ji. Hello, Swechha ji.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I said? Unmute your mic. Rojan ji, are you solving? Karishma ji,
Yes, sir.
are you solving?
Sir, 8.
You got 8.
Yes, sir.
So now how can you show me this your process? Do you know? Karishma ji,
LCM process.
just bring that copy in front of that camera. I want to see. Don't share it. Just bring your copy in front of camera. Karishma ji, are you getting? Michelle ji, completed? Completed? Michelle ji, completed or not? Karishma ji,
Yes, sir.
show your copy. Catch your copy and show. No, okay. Okay, catch it. I'm looking. Catch it. I'm looking.
Sir, 10 come.
No, 10 is wrong.
30.
8.
It is the answer, but I want to see the process. Binita ji, have you solved?
I'm trying, sir.
Good. Rojan ji. Okay. 26. I was checking that's correct one. Okay, you are trying. Swechha ji.
Sir.
I can see missile. Okay, Swechha ji, please show your copy. What you did.
I'm trying, sir.
Anup ji, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I see your copy?
Yes.
Let's see. Little bit near. You subtracted or you did as
Prime factorization.
prime factor? No, we haven't. I haven't asked about prime factor. I've asked you about the subtraction process.
I did it with prime factor.
Again, try it. Subtract it.
41.
Okay, now again we'll try it. I've given 64. Yes. So what are the odd numbers? List it. 5, 7, 9,
10 come.
11. Now subtract
10
1.
come.
10 will not come here. 10 is the square root of 100. We know. 63. 63 and second odd number.
3.
Subtract 3. That means what you will get?
60.
60. Again, these 3 also subtracted. Now from 60 you subtracted 5. How much you will get?
55.
55. Correct. Now again from 55
Minus 7.
minus
7.
7. Good.
7.
Now
7.
if you subtract, how much you will get?
48.
48. Again
48.
keep on. 48 minus
9.
9. How much
9.
you will get?
39.
31.
31.
39.
39. So 39 and minus 11. How much you will get?
Oh, sir, my mistake.
Yeah.
Miles.
So 39, 11. How much you will
I
get?
have
20.
done 13.
28.
Okay. Now 28 minus 13.
8.
Sorry. It is 15 here. And now 15. Now another odd number is 15. Okay, now we got
15.
0. Now check how many. 1 odd number, 2 odd number, 3 odd number, 4 odd number, 5 odd number, 6 odd number, 7 odd number, 8 odd number. So
8.
root 64 means how much you got?
8.
Yes,
8.
correct. This one. Now any problem now?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, good. Everybody you got or not?
Yes,
Yes.
Good. Now, just now, we are going to discuss about, I'm going to stop sharing this. And now I'm going to show you, okay, desktop. And where I can see this folder. Wait few minutes, only 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, where is the folder called 7-8? Okay, here. Now this, I hope. Can you see the page?
No.
No. Okay, now I'll show it. I'll show it now.
No, sir.
Share. Okay. Can you
sir,
see
my
now?
photo is coming.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now copy
Yes,
this
sir.
number. Now
Which
copy this
one?
number. What are they?
196. 200.
324, 400.
400.
196, 225, 334, 24, and 400. So this is homework for you.
Okay, sir.
And tomorrow we'll discuss about the next idea. Prime and factorization process and another division process. Do you have any queries about today's topic?
Sir, not listening.
Tomorrow we'll discuss about the same square root by division process and
Okay,
prime
sir.
factorization process. Yes. But if you have any question about today's topics?
No, sir.
Anyone, do you have any question?
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will try these 4 questions and we'll meet tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Elizabeth.